Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install the new Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 computer. So if you're looking to update your Windows 11 store to the latest version, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So pretty straightforward process, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the store. So open up the Start menu, search for Store. Best match should come back of Microsoft Store, so go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go up to the top here where your username is, just left click on it and select where it says App Settings. Where it says App Updates, update apps automatically. Make sure that is turned on, and then you should automatically receive the latest updates pretty soon. And you can also check for Windows updates as well, just to kind of get the process started. So again, pretty straightforward process there, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.